Hi, everyone! Today, we're going to learn lots of useful words and sentences that we use every day. We'll explore everything happening in the kitchen, from cooking delicious food to decorating for the season. But before we start the description, I have a question for you. Where is the cat with her 3 kittens? Take a moment to look closely at the picture. If you find the cat with 3 kittens, let me know in the comments section. If you don't worry. We'll show you the answer during the description. So, just focus on the picture now, and let's begin. In the middle of the picture, a gentle, gray-haired grandmother. She has a blue cardigan and an apron. She is smiling down at her granddaughter. She seems delighted to be baking with her grandchildren. She is enjoying this special time together. In her hands, she holds a large round baking dish, ready to put it in the oven. Beside her, a little girl with short brown hair is mixing ingredients in a bowl. She's wearing a pink apron over her blue top, showing she's been working hard in the kitchen too. Her face is showing focus and excitement as she is stirring and helping her grandmother with joy. On the left side of the table, there's a young boy in a red sweater. He is rolling out dough with a wooden rolling pin, carefully pressing down to make it just right. His black hair is neatly combed, and he's very focused on his task, and he is feeling proud to help his grandmother. The table in front of them is covered with a green and white checkered tablecloth, and it's loaded with baking supplies. There are eggs, butter, milk, flour, and sugar spread out, along with bowls, measuring cups, and a jar of honey. A delicious, dark fruit cake decorated with holly is already on the table, and the cake is ready for a holiday treat. The kitchen itself is decorated with festive holiday cheer. Bright paper chains are hanging from the ceiling. Holiday cards are pinned up on the wall by the staircase. The cards are adding a personal touch to the decorations. Pans are hanging on the wall behind the grandmother, shiny and well-used, showing this is a kitchen full of love and home-cooked meals. On the stairs, a soft, brown and white cat is sitting with her 3 tiny kittens close by. The mother cat has shiny, green eyes that are watching over her little ones with gentle care. Her fur is thick and warm, giving her a cozy appearance. Each kitten is small and fluffy, with a mix of brown and white patches, just like their mother. Together, they look happy and safe, adding a touch of warmth and family love to the cozy holiday scene in the house. On the right side of the picture, a brown dog sits patiently, looking up with big, hopeful eyes, as if waiting for someone to share a little snack. Near the bottom left corner, a black and white cat sits by the chair, also watching closely, as if waiting for something interesting to happen or for a bit of food to drop. Outside the window, the ground is covered with white snow and snowflakes. There's a snowman visible in the yard, and smoke rises from chimneys on the neighboring houses, showing that everyone is staying warm inside. This whole picture feels like a warm holiday story where family members come together, sharing love, laughter, and delicious food during the festive season. It's a scene full of happiness, warmth, and the true spirit of togetherness.